Hello friends! Welcome back to StoryTime Vocabulary, where you can learn English through our engaging stories. Today, we have a special story that will help us learn some interesting new words. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a brave young girl named Lily who decided to abandon her fears and embark on a grand adventure. To abandon means to leave something behind completely, especially something that holds you back. Lily carried an abbreviated map. Abbreviated means short. The map shows a route to a hidden treasure but with fewer details. Along her journey, Lily discovered she had a special ability. Ability is the skill or power to do something. She could understand the language of animals, which helped her make friends along the way. As she traveled further, she found a long, winding road and decided to abridge it by taking a shortcut through the forest. To abridge means to shorten something without losing its essence. One night, a mischievous raccoon tried to abscond with her food. Abscond means to leave hurriedly and secretly, typically to avoid detection or arrest. Lily managed to catch the raccoon, and it apologized, asking to be absolved. To absolve means to forgive someone or to clear them of guilt. She forgave the raccoon, and they became friends. During her journey, Lily also found herself in a mysterious cave that seemed to absorb all the light. To absorb means to take in or soak up. She used her lantern to find her way. At a fork in the road, Lily chose to abstain from taking the easy path. To abstain means to deliberately avoid something. She wanted to challenge herself and grow stronger. As she walked, she pondered over the abstract symbols on the trees. Abstract means existing in thought or as an idea, but not having a physical or concrete existence. These symbols made her think deeply about her journey. She encountered some absurd obstacles like talking rocks and flying fish. Absurd means wildly unreasonable or illogical. These made her journey unpredictable and exciting. Along the way, she found a beautiful flower and decided to accentuate its beauty by placing it in her hair. To accentuate means to make something more noticeable or prominent. And that's the end of our story. Today, we learned words like abandon, abbreviated, ability, abridge, abscond, absolve, absorb, abstain, abstract, absurd, and accentuate. We hope you enjoyed the journey and learned something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time on Storytime Vocabulary. Until then, keep exploring and keep learning.